Hi, welcome to part 2 of assembling the CNC machine. Mount the holders. The distance from the holder is 70 millimeters. It is necessary to assemble the base. We will mount the holders and guides. I assembled the base upside down, so I could more easily adjust the holders. The base must be able to move easily. Mount the guides. And the Z-axis with the motor. Move the motor to the end to get an accurate distance between the holders. Do the same on the other side. The Z-axis must be able to move easily along the X-axis. The rails need to be secured. The stepper motor holders need to be mounted. This is how to mount the lead screw. Place the stepper motors and the lead screw holder as well. Connect the lead screw to the Z-axis. Use a coupling to connect the motor with the lead screw. Mount the lead screw holder. And stepper motor as well. Use a coupling again to connect the lead screw with the motor. Move the base to the end to center the lead screw. Let's move on to electronics. Pay attention to the labels on the electronics to properly connect the motors. Connect the power cable to the motor. Use the original power supply of 24 volts and 5 amps. It works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see part 3 where I will do a machine test.